Pretty perfect. Backing plate for mooring cleats. Thank you, my cool looking assistant.
Thanks. Safety, something else.
All prepared to glue on the starboard side deck. I've washed the amine blush off the bottom. I've sanded down these bits where it was leaning up against these things, and it got a little bit scrunkly. Oh, except I have not cut it off. Well, let me just cut it off quickly. Just got a mark where it lines up with the already glued down piece, so I know where to cut. Okay, fits perfectly. Okay, it's cut now. This is all ready to go onto the starboard side. I will at some point put a backing plate under here just to give a little bit of joining strength between the two, but I'm not going to do it now. I think I can leave it for now. I might not even need it, to be honest. I don't know, we'll see. I also have these reinforcing backing plates that are going to go under here and on the other side, and there and there and there, to provide a nice solid surface for the mooring cleats to be bolted into. These won't go in just yet. I've just had to cut them more or less to size while I could still easily trace the pattern. So. Got to get rid of all this stuff here. It's not supposed to overhang like that. All the way along the side deck you can see there's an overhang which needs to be trimmed off, and a little bit on the inside here. So that's today's job. Getting the old jigsaw out and having a crack. Glued the two layers together and stuck them onto these big weights. Looks like they're glued pretty good. Gotta sand a bevel into the upper edges to avoid the bead of hardened glue. Here are the finished backing plates for the mooring cleats. So these go underneath here. Time to glue them in.